IR0280H thermal camera instructions. Operation Flow 1. Press and hold power button for 2 seconds to power on. Press and hold power button for 2 seconds again to power off. Press power button once to turn off display. Press power button again to turn on it. Press the menu button to enter menu mode. Here are the summary of menu icons. Press up and down to select image mode. There are thermal image, visual image and overlay image modes. Press left button to select filter mode. There are temporal filter, wide Gaudisson filter and no filter modes. Press right button to select zoom in or zoom out. Press measure button to capture image. Press and hold measure button to take video. Touch the screen to move the object temperature mark, and show the temperature of that location.